So I'm going to put my hand in here. A little one. You heard it, but
yeah,
I heard like the littlest dink.
It was bigger last time.
Yeah. Put your turn a little bit this way. It should be on the corner. Maybe it's more on this side. Maybe I was wrong.
Oh my god.
Well,
that was bigger.
That side was bigger. All right. So this is where I want to go next. Do you feel that one? Mm-hmm. So that's C2. And I just got one.
Whew. I feel better after that, so I don't
this
mind
one's
it.
going to be bigger.
Oh. It still happens sometimes. So.
It's okay. Actually, lie face down. That one's going to do better. Yeah, that one's going to do better. And blow it out. Are you okay?
I'm fine. That was a silent one, but a big one.
Okay. What's weird is this one's on the right. So that was left, and this crosses over here. And you feel how this
I think I have scoliosis.
Yeah,
and
you
it's
can
like getting better, but
it's not drastic scoliosis, but you can feel it.
No.
Here's the upper one, okay? Drop your head.
Whoa. That was cool.
So now I'm going to go kind of where a woman's bra line would be.
Wow. That's interesting that it didn't pop when I was on my stomach.
Yeah, the angle.
And here it was, yeah.
Get your back, get your lower back compressed. That did nothing but except probably knock the wind out of you.
It did. But it's okay.
So now we're going to try something different. Squeeze your knees together. Show me some strength. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Did you hear that?
Yes.
That was your pubic bone just cracked.
That was.
T12. But I'm going to just grab the skin.
Oh, I know this one.
That one.
Oh, that's just, yeah. Oh my god. Oh.
Okay.
Whew.
The right leg is still jammed a little bit. And it's interesting, it's her left ankle, but I'm going to come in and at least see if I can pull this a little bit. Can you let this relax? No, just let it relax. Where do you feel that pull from?
In the hip.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's where I felt the pull.
And
so here's the head of the femur, and it went. But I just did it once. Let's see if we can do this one. So this is where I'm pulling, but I'm using this as a long lever.
Oh.
And it went.
No. Ooh.
Bam! We got that one.
That was great.
Did you hear that one?
Yeah.
That was loud.
Yeah.
All right, that's cool. Yes, we got that one. Let's see if there's something left with the heel. Sometimes the heel sticks in. Like it compresses and it should have some motion.
Oh.
Let's come
That
over.
went to my hip.
It's healthy, but it feels a little tight. And I don't want it to become, she's a dancer. We don't want to only do one side, and I don't want it to become next week's problem.
Oh no.
And you'll come back around again, and we'd have to see you 2 times.
Oh my god.
Here we go. Again, the hip moves.
That went to the hip.
All right.
Oh.
That one right there. Oh yeah, it's a wrist.
Oh.
Boom!
Doc, you're like killing me today.
But did you hear the whole elbow?
Yes. And I would not think that it was in the elbow.
Sometimes the elbow, when the elbow's not tracking, something above or below it is the issue.
Yeah.
That was dramatic. That one just popped.
Drama llama.
What I'm gonna do is manipulate it. Give me your arm. You okay?
Yeah.
Good. Lay on your back.
Do you get all the cracks on? Like, does it show them?
Like all the sounds? Is that what you meant?
Yeah.
So yeah, we get right there. Can you feel what I'm talking about?
Yes.
That little. Okay. Well. Good.
Oh, that was easier than I thought.
And look how much better it moves.
Yeah. That was a lot easier than I thought. This side I'm a little more nervous. But...
Yeah. All right, drop. Good.
That was better than I thought too.
Right over there. And we're not expecting the big pops and cracks like we just got.
Okay.
Because we already adjusted. Good. All right. Hold it right there. I'm going to push here and here. Don't let me. Ready? Go. And a little bit stronger, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And make a fist. Pushing down. Don't let me. Go. And it's much stronger, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Is the C8T1 nerve that we were testing. So I'm going to adjust this area right here. Good. Okay.
How do you know? Like, that's like, okay. I'll just.
Thumb, pinky.
Okay.
Pulling apart. Ready? Go. A lot better, yeah?
Okay. Just let me.
Right there's good. Put your left hand on your ear. Good. And good. And I'm going to thrust down there like that, okay?
Okay.
Deep breath. Breathe on it. Good.
Oh, that was great. What was that? What do you? That was great. Okay.
Hold on here. We'll do the muscle test. I'm going to pull out.
It's
Don't
very
let me.
strong. Okay.
Ready? Go.
Okay.
Much better. And frankly, this one doesn't feel great. Okay. Good. Hold it right there.
Okay.
Pushing out there. Don't let me go. Good. Pushing that way. Don't let me go. Much better, yeah?
Yeah.
Sit your head up off the table. Good. And we're actually going to do one more up there.
Okay.
Chin all the way to your chest. Bring your head up. Like that. That's good. Okay. That was fun, huh?
That was a word for it.
All right. So you see, what I'm doing is I'm doing muscle tests, and that tells me what areas need attention, right?
Okay.
And I am kind of testing the muscle, but I'm caring more importantly about what
Okay.
controls the muscle. You thought it was stronger?
Oh.
We'll do the lower part of your neck right there. Good. Fist. Pushing down, don't let me. Nice and strong. Liked on the other side.
This one's my favorite.
Deep breath. Breathe on it.
Okay, just not anymore, actually.
Yeah.
A little bit. I wouldn't say pain.
Breathe out. Okay. Scooch it just a little bit. Good. Good. Lay on your back. And let it go, breathe. Good. Okay, lay on your back.
I mean, it's not something that like actively bothers me, but.
Okay. I'm going to give it a quick little yank here.
Oh.
Good.
Okay, that's a first for me, I think.
So you have one more, okay, on this side. You want to do it?
Yes.
Okay. And then you're going to bend your head down like this. Keep turning. Now turn your head all the way this way. Let this collapse. Okay. Now, lie on your back. I'm going to do one in here now.
That was a big one.
So you have one more, okay, on this side. You want to do it?
Yes.
Okay.
Wow. Thank you.
Big breath in and blow it out. And one up here. Nice. Good. Lie on your back again. One more time. Move your face this way so your face goes that way. And one here. Good. Now lie on your side facing me this way. You're going to be all the way on your side. Putting your arm up here. I'm going to grab this bone right here. Got it. Drop this hip. There's more. Come this way. Bend this top knee up. Take this shoulder through. Point the knee towards the floor. Got it. Lie on your back. Pick your head up. Okay. We're almost done.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good.
All right. These are all good. Let me go in again on the ankle. So let this relax, bend the foot up. Here, scoot back. You have to lay down to hold the body down. I don't feel them jammed. And look for that spot again. You're gonna let your head settle down this way, like tilt, tilt, tilt.
Ooh. Wow.
Do you hear that one?
Yeah, that felt good.
Okay, here's the next one. Turn your head all the way this way. Let the head settle down this way.
Wow.
Got it.
Thanks. That felt really good.
And then just stretch and feel that tug. Do you feel what it feels like? Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. So now I'm going to do one. I'm going to stretch and then tug.
Okay.
Okay, so take a breath in and blow it out. Good. So now I'm going to start to stretch.
Oh, that felt really good.
Where'd you feel it?
My neck. Honestly, all the way down my back. Yeah.
And tilt. Little ones, because remember we did some already. No, those are fine. So now move closer to me. You stay on your back, but just be a little closer this way. And I'm going to have you turn your face that way. I'm going to reach under. Just get some of these.
Oh.
There it goes. Keep that tucked right there. Pulling your arm through. Holding your own tricep. And I'm going to slip my hand through like this. Got it. Let's do a little more. Drop the knee down towards the floor. More. So may I move this like 2 inches? Okay, so I'm going to grab the skin here like this. There it goes. Right in there. So turn your head even more. And now let your shoulder sink and your head bend over. Got it. Turn your head this way. Let this sink. Wow. So big breath in and blow it out. A few more, right? We just have your lower back lift. You want to do it? I think that'll freshen it right back up again. So you're going to turn facing me. I'm going to pull your shoulder through. Let this rock towards me. Come to the other side. And then turn this way. Bring this leg up. And do you see how your belly is almost down? So keep on the side more. Ready? Got it. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good. You okay? Mm-hmm. Let's look at your ankles. Your whole hip went. Did you feel it? These are all good. So we're going to leave the toes alone.